Hello, my name is Josué Freire and I am a student for Technical University of Cotopaxi. In this video, I'm going to connect a database with Postgres into Fedora with a client in the smartphone. The first step is to select a database. In that case, first I use pgadmin4. Okay, the database I use is Saya. In these schemes, I have tables. For example, I have tables adjunto, carpeta, colaborador, documento, etc. Okay. The first step is open the terminal. Okay. And later we are going to write this command. With this command, we turn off the firewall of the system because we need that. And we write this and push enter. We need to write our password. Okay. The next step is write the another characters. Sudo start turn grep 5432. With this command, we put in here the Postgres for the port 5432. Push enter, and we need to see that, and if we see this, everything is correct. The next step is enter to that direction, var_lib pgsql 17 datapg hba.conf. This part variate depend the version of Postgres. In my case, my version is 17, but if your version is 15, write 15. Or in another cases, don't need to write nothing, but I need to write 17 and push enter. We go to the final of the document, and in that line we need to add a new host. Rewrite host later all, and in this part we need to write our IP direction. For example, you write ifconfig to see your direction IP. Your direction IP is 100.100.100./24. We need to write this direction here. For example, one direction, point, one direction, point, one direction, but the final number need to write 0. Ever write 0. /44. And in this side we write MD5. We push Ctrl O to save and enter, and Ctrl X to exit. The next step is write sudo nano and enter to that direction. We need to use that line. That line commented, but we need to discomment that line. listen address. And in this part, we have the word Postgres. But we need to erase this word and write this character. Okay, with this character we are ready. Push Ctrl O, enter and Ctrl X for exit. And the final step is restart Postgres. In this case I write my version. You need to write your version. And we push enter. And the configure in Fedora is ready. Okay, and the configuration in the client, we push in the more icon and we need to complete host IP, port, login, and password. For example, you can write 100 point, 100 point, 100 point, 100 slash 44, for example. But you need to write your real IP, in Fedora in the terminal. Then we need to complete the port. The port ever is 5432 in Postgres. And in the login, we write Postgres general, but if you have another user, you need to write this user and complete the password. Then, if the connection is good, when we push in database, we can see our databases. For example, Silla, and select Silla and push save. And when we push in the connection, we can see every schemas and tables and create a new query. For example, we create a new query with a select. Write select from and write laboratorios punto laboratorio punto y coma. And when we push run, we can see the query. This is the final. Thank you for see the video and goodbye.